Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn together some super cool English vocabulary about the topic of living environment. This topic is very hot and appears a lot in those exams. First, we have the natural habitat, which means the natural habitat of animals. For example, the natural habitat of polar bears is the Arctic. The polar bear's habitat is the Arctic. When talking about environmental protection, we have the phrase environmental protection. If you want to talk about environmental destruction, use environmental degradation. A small act like recycling can make a big difference. Let's learn more useful vocabulary together to talk about the environment more confidently. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you.